All right, so let us begin today's strategy class now that everybody is in here. ठीक है, ये हमारा सेकेंड फॉर्मल स्ट्रेटेजी सेशन है. आज का स्ट्रेटेजी सेशन इज नॉट गोइंग टू बी मोटिवेशन ग्रुप. वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक फैक्ट्स बिकॉज अभी भी अगर मोटिवेशन की जरूरत पड़ रही है तो प्रॉब्लम है, राइट? तो एग्जाम इज लिटरली अब है एग्जाम, राइट? तो डेफिनेटली ऐसा नहीं है. आई सॉ ऑल ऑफ योर एंट्रीज इन द फॉर्म. मैंने देखा किसका कितना प्रेप हुआ है and I realized that all of you are in a much better position than you were earlier. A lot of you did end up using the last part of July जब हमारा कोर्स कंप्लीट होने के बाद जो मैंने 10 days तुम्हें दिए थे कि सारे बैकलॉग्स कवर करो और जो टारगेट्स दिए थे, a lot of you have diligently worked on it. कुछ लोगों ने अपना खुद मॉडिफिकेशन निकाला उस पे, एग्जैक्टली वो टारगेट्स नहीं फॉलो करे, बट स्टिल आई कैन सी progress in most of your performance compared to जो last हमने status check किया था. So I'm really proud of you. ठीक है, अब रही बात as we talk कि जुलाई तक syllabus का सीन है and post that it's going to be advanced prep, revision, doubt classes, mock tests, etc. And we have to amp it up. So basis the entries that you guys had filled and जो preparation status है most लोगों का and उसको ध्यान रखते हुए and at the same time more importantly what is the need of the hour, वो ध्यान रखते हुए I have come up with a plan for you, ठीक है, till November, and I wanted to have this session to discuss that plan with you so that all of you are completely aware कि आने वाले days कैसे दिखने वाले हैं. ठीक है, all of these classes have to be attended live. ठीक है, क्योंकि अब ये एडवांस प्रेप पे हम आ चुके हैं ना, अभी सेल्फ पेस की बात नहीं anymore. It is about doing it all together. That's first. And secondly, I also wanted to make you aware कि देखो आने वाला वॉल्यूम ऑफ वर्क कितना ज्यादा है, so that if at all at any point you guys feel complacent, यार ठीक है हो जाएगा, कर लेंगे, हो जाएगा, वीकेंड को कर लूंगी, नेक्स्ट मंडे से स्टार्ट कर लूंगी, ऐसे अगर इफ यू आर इन दैट फेज, so you sort of get like a wake up call to understand कि okay bro, there's a lot to do, okay I cannot, है ना. And thirdly, it's also that many of you tell me that when I give you targets or when there's some session or when there's going to be some discussion, so that pushes you कि जो काम 10 दिन में नहीं हो सकता वो एक दिन में हो जाता है अचानक, because you know you have to attend this session or this out class or this discussion. So that way also it will be really good for you. ठीक है, so base plan I've made and I am completely open to constructive feedback and changes as per what you guys think. ठीक है, so I'll display that plan that I've made. I'll display it soon. And साथ में हम discuss करेंगे कि इसमें अगर कुछ changes चाहिए or you feel like certain things should be moved up or down. So I will definitely take that feedback. Okay. So as I told you, the way we were going to prepare is the same: concepts, practice, then doubts, and then beyond that comes advanced prep. Till here it's stage 1 and then stage 2 मैं नीचे ही लिखती हूँ because of course so we had advanced prep, just continuing the cycle from here. Then we have PYQs and then we talk strategy, right? So this is going to be our phase 1 and phase 2. इसमें this is the place where area tests come. ठीक है, फिर advanced prep PYQs, this is the place where sectional tests come, right? And इसके beyond, इसके साथ ही from here full mock tests come in, right? So they are a part of mocks, right? So full length is a part here as well. ठीक है, यहाँ पे frequency हाई रहेगी, यहाँ पे frequency कम. So this first stage that we talk about is breadth, where we cover everything, and the second thing is about depth. Now we start advanced prep and now we buckle up, right? So this is how it is going to be, and इसी के साथ consistent हमारा concepts and practice is done. Like we have finished all the part of syllabus that is there. Some fine tuning, either छोटा मोटा concepts are pending, which will keep coming, right? And now is the time for us that we move into the advanced prep zone. ठीक है, so considering that, I'll just share the. Can you see the screen shared? You guys can start unmuting yourself if you have to say anything, and you can also keep the comments alive because see, I can't see the screen. I can see your responses. I can see your reactions. ठीक है, chat पे अगर तुम कुछ लिखोगे तो that I can see, or if you unmute yourself, I can hear that because now I am seeing screen and all of you also can see the screen. ठीक है, तो अभी this is our going to be our plan August till November. ठीक है, now यहाँ पे if you look at it, there's month, there's week, the weeks in the month and the dates I've given here. उसके बाद there are these buckets that I have made. Yeah, these buckets that I have made. What are these buckets? These buckets are basically चार चीजें that we are supposed to do. Here's the note for it. Syllabus and revision basically means it's something you have to do self. This is a self book, right? This is again a part of your backlog completion. ठीक है, अभी भी अगर किसी का कोई backlog रह गया है, it is your job to finish it. It's a self thing. This is self prep के वक्त ये करना है. Then doubts in practice is the classes we are going to have together on weekends. So these are the doubts and practice classes. जो live classes होंगी Saturday, Sunday afternoons because I took slots also and most of the people were available in afternoons. So Saturday या Sunday में से एक class या दो classes depending upon what kind of doubts or practice we are taking. Then this is advanced practice, which is going to be the major part of how our week is going to look like. Each one of you, irrespective of the amount of syllabus you have completed, end up saying that you want advanced practice, you want to know the approaches to solve. So this is where it is going to be. Okay, exactly. This is where it is going to be, and this is where you focus on. So this is going to happen Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, 9 to 11 p.m. class because that's the common time and all of us are available. So Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, middle of the week, we are going to do advanced practice. Starting of the week, kept for you for self or anything you want to cover upon, anything you want to revise. And at end of the week, kept for doubts and tests for you to take. That's why middle of the week is going to be advanced practice that we are going to do in the respective chapters. And the tests are basis area test. जैसे मैंने बोला कि area test, sectional test होगा. देखो पहले हम area test, sectional test पे ही focus कर रहे हैं. And then full length, and then we are going to just focus more and more on full length. That is how the flow is going to be. So this is how our coming weeks are going to look like. So this is how the revision is going to happen. We'll focus on arithmetic algebra first, LR and then VRC. Then again DI, then a bunch of quants because VRC is done. So LR, DI होने के बाद then bunch of quants. So revision is going to look really small. September end तक revision is also a lot of time. Okay, beyond September, if your syllabus completion and revision is going, so that's a very alarming state. So this should be enough. This is a self thing. Then when we talk about doubts in practice, percentage PNL interest, those doubts we have already done. That's where that's not here. But apart from that, this is the bunch of doubt classes you will have. So we will have a doubt class on weekend, which will be on averages, ratios, mixtures, then on functions and inequalities, then on LR, then on VA, because RC we have already done, right? So then on VA, then again some algebra, some arithmetic, some DI, some geometry, so on and so forth. So we will have a doubts/practice classes, right? Doubts and practice means these are the doubts and practice tests, right? The tests or the class के साथ जो practice sheet तुम्हें मिलती है या class में जो questions होते हैं या हमारे practice tests है which I ask you to give, right? उसमें जो doubts है that. So this is still level 1 practice, right? This is still level 1 practice. And then these are the advanced classes. As I told you, there will be 3 classes, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Each day we will take a bunch of chapters together. ठीक है, तो कभी कभी ऐसा होगा कि अगर कोई चैप्टर बहुत डेंस है, like percentage है या PNL है, ये interest है, these are not dense chapters. But when there's functions, there's inequalities, these are dense. Averages, ratios are dense. So the chapters that are dense, we'll have an individual class to them, and the chapters that can be combined, we'll have clubbed classes to them. I will give you schedule of those classes. You don't have to worry about, but this is almost 90% accurate how the practice classes are going to look like, and Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, what we are going to practice. So advanced practice में advanced questions भी होंगे, PYQs भी होंगे. A bunch of PYQs will already also be given as a homework for you to do, because the idea is that once we are claiming that our syllabus is done and the concepts are taught, then we are claiming that the enough number of practice questions are solved, enough number of doubts are done, and then I have taken advanced practice as well. ठीक है, ये सब मैं कर चुकी हूँ. उसके बाद अगर तुम पीवाईक्यूज नहीं कर पाओ, यू आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग कॉन्सेप्ट्स, राइट? And that shouldn't happen. If I am going to solve PYQs for you, of course you're going to be able to do it. But the idea is that we will take PYQs as homework to genuinely test how effective our process is going, right? And the faster we do it, the more we'll be in a position to correct our approach. एक तो क्लासेस इंक्रीज होंगे या डिक्रीज होंगे, या प्रैक्टिस सेशंस इंक्रीज होंगे डिक्रीज होंगे, या रिवीजन क्लासेस हम 2-3 बार करेंगे, या हम हमारी पेस हमारी फास्ट या स्लो करेंगे. It all will be dependent on how you guys are able to do PYQs on your own. So we are not going to have a rigged system where मैं तुम्हारे को PYQ solve करके दूंगी, देखो तुमको आ गया. No, we are going to genuinely test कि कितना अच्छे से हम पढ़ रहे हैं. ठीक है, that's why PYQs we are going to take up as homework. So you'll be expected to solve the PYQs immediately after our advanced practice classes are done. ठीक है, and then उसके बाद doubts practice में एंड में ये जो मॉक्स डिस्कशन वाला पीरियड है, तब हम ये पीवाईक्यूज लेंगे. बीच में भी कभी लेंगे अगर हमारा कुछ फिनिश हो गया तो. ठीक है, बट दिस इज हाउ एडवांस प्रैक्टिस इज गोइंग टू लुक लाइक. ठीक है, दिस इज हाउ वी आर गोइंग टू टेक इट, एंड दीज आर द टेस्ट्स. ठीक है, सो अगेन अरिथमेटिक एरिया टेस्ट यू गाइस ऑलरेडी हैव डन. ठीक है, बट आई स्टिल पुट इट, मैंने पहले 2 हफ्ते, पहला हफ्ता स्टिल इजी रखा है. एंड देन दिस टेस्ट आर टू बी टेकन एनी टाइम इन द वीक एज यू लाइक. ठीक है, I will mention the exact test name that you're supposed to do, so that in one of our doubts or practice class, we will end up taking the doubts of those arithmetic tests as well. ठीक है, and then उसके बीच में whatever analysis is required about your performance of sectionals and whatever independent feedback is required for your prep will be taken in form of one-on-one mock analysis or in general preparation guidance classes, which will be scheduled with each one of you separately. ठीक है, जो हम अभी भी कर रहे हैं और हम करेंगे. So this is how the plan for coming weeks is looking like. ठीक है, so now I want you to have your own time. ठीक है, have a look at this schedule. ठीक है, and just put it on chat if you feel like there needs to be certain sort of change in how this is going to look like. Alright. So I'll tell you, एक किसी ने मुझे पूछा है कि ये टेस्ट any questions का मतलब क्या है. So this is basically whatever tests you take and there are non-attempted questions in it. Obviously we are expecting कि जो भी non-attempted questions है, you do it self also after your tests are taken. But this as a part of revision and your self practice, I have kept this place कि whatever mocks or sectionals or area tests you are taking and you haven't been able to solve a certain set of questions, right, after there has been advanced practice on it, after PYQs and after like bunch of understanding, you can attempt those questions again. Okay, so basically not attempted questions from tests is what I wanted to write there. ठीक है, और उसको ऐसे करना चाहिए, tests के apostrophe. ठीक है, not attempted questions, so that is what it means. Secondly, somebody asked me कि you need more RCs for practice. So for that, you have the area test, you have the sectional tests, and you have the mock tests. So that is where you have to take a bunch of RCs to practice from. Okay, from our portal only. After that, there's one more comment which is saying कि this seems good and balanced, and you will have to practice some questions on your own. Yes, of course. So whenever I say syllabus revision, etc., see guys, I'll tell you. I have also a lot of comments where you guys are saying that this looks or that this looks doable and this looks fine, but and I'm really happily surprised to see that reaction from you, because honestly, as someone who has been through this journey and as someone who is going to teach this to you, I am myself very, I don't want to use the word scared, but honestly this is a lot, right? This volume is not going to be as easy as it seems to, because in my head, I know what I have decided to teach to you guys. Advanced practice classes can end up being very, very rigorous and tensed. So here, because I ended up planning it all and you see it on a screen, it's seeming very doable. But if you are genuinely on a do or die year, and if you are genuinely at a place where you want to get that 99 percentile, this is going to be very rigorous, very intense. One of you also ended up saying, is it going to be more rigorous here on? Trust me, मैं बता रही हूँ, this is at least 2 to 3x of what we did earlier. Okay, and you yourself have to benchmark how much have you been able to achieve the targets that I had given to you in the previous weeks. We have been looking at targets for past 3 months. For people who joined now, we have been looking for targets for last 1.5 months. And you yourself are aware how much you were able to achieve those targets. Okay? And because I know I'm going to take your classes, and I know how I've planned it for you, and this is going to be 2 to 3x times of what we have done earlier. So then you benchmark for yourself कि ये दिखने में ऐसा लग रहा है, but how intense it is going to be. You're not able to see through it right now. ठीक है? So please pull up your socks. Please get back into the game if you're derailed, and please stick to the targets that I have told you. So this is what it is going to look like. Fair? अब इसके अलावा there's one more thing. कि since it's friendship day today, I thought, and this is something I had been thinking, okay, that I'm going to group a few of you into study companions. Okay, friendship day bhi aa gaya, so it's like a great thing. But that's what I'm going to do. I saw all of your form entries. I saw who is at what stage. I saw what are your weaknesses. Okay, and it is not going to be a school का classroom जहाँ पे एक स्ट्रॉन्ग गोइंग बच्चे को जिसका सिलेबस वीक रह गया उसके साथ कंबाइन होगा नहीं. आई एम गोइंग टू कंबाइन अ फ्यू ऑफ यू इन sort of pairs with respect to equity, like equality in how much syllabus you have done, and your strengths are complementary to each other. Because as I said कि now is the time that you push, है ना. तो जिसका कम सिलेबस हुआ है वो दोनों को ग्रुप करूंगी. जिसको लग रहा है कि यार प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन इज माय प्रॉब्लम, दोस काइंड ऑफ पीपल आई क्लब, बिकॉज़ देन इट इज योर जॉब टू मोटिवेट ईच अदर एंड जस्ट गेट थिंग्स डन. ठीक है? सो आई हैव इंटरेक्शंस विद ऑल ऑफ यू. मैंने सबको तुम्हारे ग्रुप वाइज तुम्हें खुद ही को लॉजिक समझ लिया. आई पुट यू इनटू दैट ग्रुप. ठीक है? तुम्हारे सिनर्जीज है स्ट्रेंथ के, तुम्हारा प्रेपरेशन लेवल कैसा है और तुम्हारे इमीडिएट टारगेट्स क्या है, ये मैं सब तुम्हें बता चुकी हूँ. एंड ऑल ऑफ यू सीम एक्सट्रीमली पॉजिटिव और मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि सबको अपने ग्रुप्स मेड सेंस. ठीक है? बट दिस इज द शेड्यूल दैट वी आर गोइंग टू फॉलो गाइस. एंड वीकली शेड्यूल, वीकली क्लासेस एंड टाइमिंग्स एंड एक्जैक्टली कौन सा चैप्टर कौन से दिन होने वाला है, दिस आई विल कीप शेयरिंग लाइक आई शेयर every day. तो संडे को आई विल शेयर बाय द एंड ऑफ द डे सो दे कैन प्लान योर वीक अकॉर्डिंगली. बट मेक श्योर दैट each one of you meet your individual targets. Each one of you takes maximum benefit of the group. And I also told you कि next week मैं तुमको किस group में shift करना चाहती हूँ once you are able to achieve your entire potential in the existing setup that I put you in. ठीक है? तो I hope this makes sense. और याद रखना कि upcoming classes में live classes का you have to be a part. उसके prerequisites तुम्हें finish करने हैं. And क्या prerequisites हैं? Again telling you कि किसी भी डाउट क्लास से पहले तुम्हारे उस चैप्टर के 5 प्रैक्टिस टेस्ट हो जाने चाहिए. किसी भी एडवांस प्रेप क्लास के पहले उस क्लास का पूरा वीडियो देख के एटलीस्ट 3 प्रैक्टिस टेस्ट तुमने सॉल्व कर ले होनी चाहिए ताकि तुम्हारा बेस कवर्ड है तो प्रैक्टिस तो एडवांस मेक सेंस टू यू. एंड टेस्ट का प्रीरिक्विजिट कुछ भी नहीं है. इट्स जस्ट दैट हमारी सारी ओवर थिंकिंग और हेजिटेशन हटा के जो टेस्ट मैंने देने के लिए बोली है वो टेस्ट उतनी टेस्ट देनी है, मतलब देनी है. सो दैट इज इट. सो आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड इट. ठीक है? बाकी आई कीप इन टच विद यू and we are going to ace CAT 2026 together.